Autostrada are delighted to offer this 2013 registered BMW M5 finished in Monte Carlo blue. This car has covered 30,000 miles from new. Key features include sunroof with blind, professional navigation system, Bluetooth phone preparation, DAB radio, media streaming, cruise control, sun protection glass, parking sensors and upgraded 20-inch M double-spoke light alloy wheels and a power flow exhaust system. This car is supplied with 12 months MOT and Autostrada's approved 125 used car health check, and a report will be supplied.